So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called GetUpside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called GetUpside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah, that's me. For Brooke?
Yeah.
All right.
Do you have a mask?
I forgot my mask. But it's okay. It's just a quick drive.
Oh, you don't have a mask?
No. But it's literally like 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes drive. So it's fine.
Yeah, sorry, because of Uber just extended the no mask, no ride policy, so you have to wear a mask now.
I'll just do this.
No. You need a mask, and
Yeah.
that's also my shirt.
Yeah, but I'm covering my mouth.
So
with
that's not cool at all. Yeah, it's like,
It's
please
not
don't
cool.
touch that. That's not for you to touch.
it. Okay, but it's literally 10 minutes and I need to go. Like, can we please, like, it's just a mask. Like, it's not even a big deal. You're not even gonna get corona from me. Like, I don't even have corona. I don't even have symptoms.
You probably are more likely to have it just based on the fact that you don't care about it, because you're probably out and about with all your friends.
Yeah, but it's like stupid. Only old people get corona.
Okay, can you back up when you're talking to me, because you're not wearing a mask? And can you just get out of my car?
What? No, I'm not. I called you. I need to go. It's
You
literally.
can order another ride.
No.
I haven't even accepted the ride yet, so you're gonna have to cancel it.
No way. Are you freaking kidding me?
No, I'm not
Are
kidding
you kidding me?
Can you get out of my car?
Oh my god. You know what? Screw you.
Get
This
out.
is so stupid.
No, that's not cool at all. I'm reporting you, okay?
Yeah? What? For breathing on you?
Get out.
You loser. Ugh. Corona's a lie.
Alright guys, that was not real at all.
I believe in coronavirus, yes, and wearing masks. It's
But
totally
you actually
real.
did cough all over me. You actually did cough all over me though. Guys, keep in mind, everybody does have to wear masks right now. Both riders and drivers, wear your masks. And if your passenger isn't wearing a mask, then what I do recommend is don't let them in the car. Like, that was I shouldn't have let her in the car. Like, if she isn't wearing a mask, you can say, okay, no, I don't want to give you a ride. Like, you have the whole right to not give somebody a ride for not wearing a mask. You're totally fine to do that. So anyways, use the link down below for GetUpside if you want to save up to 25 cents off per gallon every single time you fill up. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents off per gallon on your first fill up. So that means you'll get at least 15 cents off per gallon on your first fill up, but it could be up to 40 cents off per gallon. So you can get like $5-6 bucks on your first fill up, maybe $5.5 bucks, depending on your tank. And then up, you'll probably get like $2 or $3 every single time you fill up gas. So that money comes in and you can save it. Thank you for watching today's video. Use the link down below for GetUpside. Celine, thanks for joining the channel, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Bye guys.
Bye.